Hi, this is Bob from HetteshWorld. Today I am going to take you through 4 upgrades on our F350. This is not going to be an installation video. This is just going to show you what we did to our truck to upgrade it to tow safely down the road.
So stay tuned, guys, and we'll get this started.
We're Bob and Barb. We've lived by the rules all of our lives, but in 2020 we threw that rule book out the window. We sold our home and moved full-time into an RV with our cat Amelia, and from now on we will be living life our way. Don't you want to come travel in our world?
Alright guys, this is upgrade number 1. This is going to be the fuel cell / toolbox, which is going to add additional 40 gallons of fuel to the truck for towing. This fuel cell is going to be an aluminum fuel cell that's going to lay here in the front of the bed here. It's going to be a gravity fed tank, so it's going to drop into our main fuel line, and it does have a ball valve so you can shut it off. And on the top layer here, it's got an 8-inch tool area, so you can actually put some towing straps and tools in there for the truck. Okay, on the outside of the truck, where that toolbox and fuel cell will penetrate through the bed in the front, it's going to come down here, and we're going to get my lovely assistant to come underneath here of the truck and shine where we're at. This is where the hole is going to penetrate through the bed. Well, we'll take this filler neck out, cut it, and splice in a T, and this is where the tank will gravity feed into our main tank on the truck. So our next upgrade is going to be our 5th wheel hitch. I'll show you that. This truck has the puck system. We ordered it with the puck system, so these 4 plugs will come out, and we are going to install a b&w hitch. It's going to have a towing capacity of 25,000 pounds, and it'll have a pin weight capacity of 6,250, which will be more than what our camper is going to put on this truck. The 3rd upgrade is going to be our tonneau cover. We got a soft wall tonneau cover because of having the tank and the hitch. So we're going to put a full-length tonneau cover that's going to cover the bed, so when we're not towing, we can cover that so our items can be safely secured. Upgrade number 4 is going to be the big one. This is going to add some airbag ride to the rear suspension to help level the truck so it can safely tow our big 44-foot 5th wheel. What that's going to allow us to do is tow down the road safely and level. You got this bump stop from the factory, from the Ford, so in case suspension would ever bottom out, it would hit this. This is going to be removed. In place is going to be an airbag. The airbags are from Firestone, and they are going to be allowed to go from 5 pounds to 100 pounds of air pressure to level the truck up. Not to really add to the capacity of the truck, which is 32,000 pounds. This is going to allow us to safely lift the truck back into its factory position. This is part B of number 4 upgrade. We are going to add a 3-gallon compressor along this frame rail, which is going to be we're going to use U-bolts so we don't have to drill through our frame, and we're going to mount a 3-gallon compressor. That is going to allow us to air up the bags for the suspension, air chuck out the back end so we can hook up tires or run air appliances. On a bonus thought, we decided to add a 3-horn truck horn underneath the truck that's going to run off that air system. The compressor and the air horn will be on outfitter switches.
Bob, what's the purpose of the air horn?
The air horn is to warn drivers when they cut off a 61-foot long truck and camper, so we let them know that they've messed up.
In other words, you were
Yeah, all these upgrades are going to be possible with my good buddy Dallas Barr out in Terre Haute, Indiana. He's going to help us with these upgrades. With his truck skills and my automotive skills, we're going to get through all these upgrades.
Dallas is super cool. Thank you, Dallas.
Thanks, Dallas.
So if you liked what you saw, please, 1, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button next, because we are going to have this amazing adventure we want to share with you. Remember, we're HetteshWorld, so come travel
in our world.
So I'd like to introduce you to Bob, Playmate of 2020, first magazine to be released. Woo, check him out, ladies.
Scary thought.